how you can verify your phone number on PayPal. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your PayPal and log into it. If you don't have an account, just tap on sign up and you can just create an account and log in. After doing that, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings on your PayPal and then under phone numbers, just tap on add new, and after you do that, you can just change your phone number from there or you can just add a new phone number. After you do that, enter the phone number and just select phone type. Then just tap on add and then choose if you want a text or you want to confirm by a call. After doing that, enter the confirmation code and click on validate. After doing that, you will have verified your phone number, and that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.